In today's video, I'll be showing you how I transform this smallest room in the house into a very beautiful room for my baby girl. So this is the smallest room, and this was how we found it when we moved in. It was in gray color. We had to change the color and work on it. So this is it. It's beautiful. It has little closets, and the color was gray. Madam wanted pink, so we had to paint the room pink. So let's keep watching. Hello guys, welcome back to my page. My name is Ella. In today's video I am setting up my daughter's room. So I've got her a bed and a wardrobe, and that's all. This room is just used for storing things and just dropping like lots of laundry on the bed. But today I'm going to sort it out. So I'm going to carry you guys along. It's night time, so the lighting might not be that great, forgive me, but I really just want to set up this room so I can have my peace of mind, because that girl has been troubling me. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video, guys. Okay, all right, let's get into this video. So this is the state of the room. Like I said, it's the smallest room in the house, so let me make it wider because it's so small, there's no space. So we got her this small double bed. It has storage underneath, but I wanted it to have storage like the side lifts, but instead it's from that end. The people on Facebook lied, so buying things from Facebook, don't trust them. So I got this wardrobe as well, and I got some table and stool over there, and you see the mess over there by the window. So I got some shelf that I'm going to put up as well. So let's arrange this room and put it in order. All right, guys. So I've changed, guys, because I was sweating. So I'm going to stick all this on this wall, all these frames. So I got this frame, the paper from Amazon, but the frame itself from BM. So I'm going to leave the link as well down for you guys. Runa is here. And I don't touch it. And so we're going to see how I'm going to manage this video, because I might back him so I can walk. So let's go. Runa. At the moment, this is where we are now. One of the frames fell and broke because the glue I was using apparently wasn't too good. So now I did this little protection bar in case anyone fell. It's not gonna break again. So I need to buy one more frame or try and find a way to use that one. So this is where I am now. It doesn't look, that one looks quite bent. I don't know if you can see. I'm trying my best, guys. I'm trying my best. I don't have a plumb to check. What's it called? Is it a plumb? What's it called? The thing to check that is leveled. I don't have it with me now. Rena is downstairs now because it was here when the thing happened. I was so happy it was far away from the bed. And so now I have to continue, guys, and try and round up. It's already 7 p.m. Let's go. To do now is to add this to this wall. So I got this from Shein about some months ago. So let me figure out how exactly I'm going to put it on, because I don't know. Can't wait. This ziplock tie, and these are the flowers. So I'm going to try and see how So I've done this one. This is it all tied up together. This is how it's looking. It looks so beautiful. I'm going to put it up at the top of the bed. I love it already. So I have to stop right now because Rona has been crying and he needs me. So we'll continue tomorrow. Guys, welcome back. So this is day 2. So I've been sick, so I couldn't continue with the project, but the show has to go on, so I need to continue. So don't mind my sick face. Let's just go ahead and continue. Whew. So I bought this for stew. I don't know if you guys can see it.